Hello, my name is Brian Barr. I'm one of the co-founders of CAT, California Audio Technology. This year we celebrate our 30th year in business. And we're known, of course, worldwide as the bespoke, or custom if you're in the US, audio company that we make things from marine grade HDF, Corian, which is a polyester acrylic alloy, aluminum of the top marine levels, 316L stainless steel, carbon fiber, titanium, so forth and so on. So a lot of our dealers started saying, hey, why don't you make a sound bar? Well, we don't make one specific product, but of course everything we make can be custom and bespoke. So our dealers can now take the size of their TV or their flat panel displays or their whole video walls, what have you. They take the dimensions of the depth and the width and the height and what they want us to build, and we can take all of our technologies and build those things custom. So right now we've been rocking out this show and people are like, where are those big huge speakers? And we're actually firing off a soundbar into this television. It's exciting. It involves the best integrators, designers, architects, builders. Everybody puts together and makes a wonderful team and makes it happen. Our website is www.calaudiotech.com. That's CALAUDIOTECH.com.